What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So it's the morning time and it's like super late in the morning. I need to actually get up, get my day started, and yeah, y'all are gonna just follow me along today. I'm not really gonna be doing much today, but I do know that I want to do a couple of things, like get my nail fixed, because yeah, my nails look pretty crappy right now. And yeah, just gonna get my day started, get my day going. So y'all come along with me. Let's go.
5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my eyes. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Crazy, don't want you lying. I've been wandering all day, tried to be fine, but I thought that the noise in my mind wouldn't leave me.
Alright, guys, so I'm back, I'm ready, and I'm about to head on out of here. I just wanted to show you all right quick what I'm wearing. So hold on, let me flip the camera. American Eagle shirts, and then I have on some leggings that I got from Target, and I just have on some, you all can't see, I just have on some Ugg boots, classic Ugg boots. I'm about to head up on out of here. Hopefully I can get my nails done. Fingers crossed that I like this new person that I'm going to go to. And I'm actually going to talk to you all in the car. So give me like 2 seconds. Alright, y'all, so I am at my nail appointment right now. I'm about to get out and go get my nails done. This is a new place, so hopefully this nail tech gets and understands the assignment, and hopefully he's in here, because I found out about him through my mother, and I'm just super excited to try this nail tech out and this nail salon out, because the one that I was going to, baby, he was just so unacceptable. I supported him so hard. I was supporting him so hard, because when I find somebody that just does it how I like it and understands the assignment on things, you know, I try to really like support, but I couldn't with that man. So anyway, y'all, I'm about to go ahead and get out of here, and I actually did throw on this little this flannel, but y'all, this Georgia weather, baby, this Georgia weather is something serious, because why is it 60 something degrees out here and the sun is out and my feet are burning up in these goddamn Uggs? I could have sworn it was cold this morning. Like, this how people get sick. But anyway, y'all, I'm about to get out, and like I said, I'm gonna show you all my nails and everything in a little bit, so hold on.
Some bridges and I let the fire light the way. Kicking my feet up, left the PJs on a PJ. Yeah, I'm a big dog and I walk around with no leash. I got water on me, yeah, everything on Fiji. Zany boss, suicide door, brand new bag. College girls, give a nigga head.
Alright, y'all, I am back, and y'all, now I done found me a new nail tech. A new nail tech, a better salon. Y'all, 2023 is already starting off freaking amazing. Y'all, look at my nails. Get into these freaking nails, honey. You are, oh my goodness, yeah. I would definitely be back. I am so happy that I finally found me a nail tech that I really like. You know, I really loved my old nail tech, but you know, he's super busy. I hate that. He's super busy, and the wait wasn't long with this nail tech. And I'm going to put his Instagram down below so you all can check him out. But yeah, I'm super excited about the fact that I like tried someone new, and I'm obsessed. So hold on, you guys, let me turn my air off because I don't need it right now. I'm about to head off to go to I'm about to go to Publix. Yeah, I will just talk to you all when I get to Publix. Yeah, talk to y'all in a little bit. All right, y'all, so I am back from Publix. I got me some dirty potato chips, sour cream onion. These are so good. If you have not tried these, then baby, you need to go ahead and try these. And look at how they skimping. I only had like literally 2 chips, I kid you not. Bag already over with at this point. Got me a chicken tuna sub on Mountain Bread. Y'all, I saw this on TikTok. First of all, why does TikTok influence everything I do? But yes, you guys, it's looking amazing, and I already took a couple bites, so it's good. So I've already had their have I had their Mountain Bread? I don't know if I've had their Mountain Bread already. I don't remember having their Mountain Bread. Hold on, let me let this focus on me. Y'all, I look so bad. Oh, I look so bad. So yeah, I don't remember if I've had their Mountain Bread before, but I do know that I've had a chicken dinner sub before, and y'all, their chicken dinner subs always bust. Always bust. So no. This stuff is everything. I'm about to eat and play on my phone a little bit until I have a client later on. Luckily it's just a refill, but I'm gonna eat for the most part for right now. I'm gonna talk to y'all in a little bit. I'm back, y'all, and I went to Target. I'm about to show you all everything that I brought. Hold on 1 second. Get my lighting together. Okay, I'm about to show you all everything that I brought. So this first bag is my mom's bag. She asked me to get her some stuff. So yeah, that's her stuff. I'm not even gonna show y'all all that because it's really like, it's not what I brought. So I guess the first thing I will show you all is this book that I brought. I bought the last one and it was like 20% off, and it's called Single Black Female. I don't know, hopefully it's good. I want to start reading books. I brought these AirPods. Not AirPods, AirPod case for my AirPods, and it's supposed to fit on my little keychain. I brought some candy for my clients, and I'm actually gonna fill up the bowl now. Because I got a little candy jar that I sit right over there so that my clients can grab some candy on their way out. So I'm just gonna put a few packages of this candy in there. But yeah, Target had all of their Valentine's Day stuff out. I bought these lollipops, these strawberry cupcake lollipops, and I hope that they are good. Yeah, y'all, they had all their little candy out. I'm actually gonna try this. Oh, y'all, it literally tastes like a strawberry cupcake. I brought some batteries for my TV remote in my bedroom. And then I brought some chocolate. This is for my candy that's in my candy that's in my jar for when you first walk in. So yeah, that is pretty much it, you guys. I didn't really do much today. I finally got my TV hung on my wall. Since I've moved, I haven't had my TV hung on there or mounted on my wall, and I finally got it on there. So yeah, y'all, I'm about to just check some emails and get ready for bed, of course. I'm trying to think, is there anything else that I'm gonna be doing crazy tonight? No, probably gonna like find me something to watch, pour me up a glass of wine. Should have washed my hair today, but yeah, more than likely going to do that tomorrow. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, let me tell you all, when I went into Target, and I should have brought my camera and showed you all, but they had the Black History section already out, and you guys, it looks great. It looks really, really good. And I heard that the clothing that they have is actually from Black businesses, so definitely support Black business. I heard a lot of people on TikTok already clowning some of the, you know, clothing that's in there, because it says stuff like what it has on there. It has Black, bougie, and beautiful. You know, I don't know, like, don't clown, don't make fun of it, as long as it's not like a white person or anyone that's not Black profiting off of, you know, essentially a Black history, and Black History Month is slowly approaching us. As long as it's not anyone, you know, collecting coins off of us, and, you know, us as Black people and our month and everything of Black history, then I don't have an issue with it. Support Black business. If you like it or you don't, it might or may not be everyone's cup of tea, but at least Target is honoring Black History Month and making it their effort to show appreciation to those that have fought before us, and, you know, our culture. So I think that's pretty dope. They also had vinyl records of like Mary J. Blige and all this stuff. Y'all, like, Target really has done the dang on thing. So yeah, definitely support Black business, and yeah, do that. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog right here. I hope that you all enjoyed this vlog that has probably kind of been all over the place today, but anyway, nonetheless, like I said, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to this channel. I will see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.